Hello students. Now here last session we learn about how much distance covered by different vehicles in what the speed is there. Okay, per hour and per distance. Okay. So here the new question is make and draw the weight of 7,000 gram. What is the weight? 7,000 gram or 7 kg. That means 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, right? So here 7 kg is equal to 7000 gram. So both are same weight. See, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Right? This is the formula. Okay? What is the unit value of 1 kg? 1000 gram. So here for the 7 kg, 7000 gram. So make and draw the weight of 7000 gram or 7 kg in different 5 ways. अलग-अलग 5 तरीके से हमें 7 kg weight बनाना है और 7000 gram both are same. Using the weights given below. यहाँ पे बॉक्स में जो भी weights दिए गए हैं उसको यूज करके हमें एक weight बनाना है 7 kg और 7000 gram, right? Here one hint is given. You can use the weight more than one time. इसमें से कोई भी weight आप more than one time use कर सकते हैं. Okay? So let's start. How much weight we have to make? 7000 gram or 7 kg. So here observe these all weights. 500 grams. Here again 500 grams. Right? These two weights is 500 grams. 250 gram, 250 gram, 250 gram, 250 gram. So 250 plus 250. If you want to do plus, okay, addition. So you can do here like a 250 plus 250. Okay, again 250 and again 250. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 5. 20. So 2 here, 2, 2, 4 plus 2, 5, 6 plus 2, 7, 8 plus 2, 9, 10. So what the weight? 1000 gram. Okay. Same here 500 plus 500 again 1000 gram. Right? Here 1 kg, 1 kg, 1 kg. Here 2 kg and 5 kg. What we have to make? 7 kg. Okay. Let's start. Here the example only I given. You can add like this also. ऐसे भी यूज कर सकते हो आप. Okay? ऐसे स्टैंडिंग भी आप बना सकते हो. Okay. So let's start. Here 7 kg we have to make. See 5 kg plus 2 kg. कितने होंगे? 7 kg. Very easy. So here first 5 kg plus 2 kg is equal to 7 kg. Okay, first one 5 kg plus 2 kg is equal to 5 plus 2 7. Now second one, how many times we have to make different 5 ways. अलग अलग 5 तरीके से हमें दिखाना है कि 7 kg कैसे बनते हैं. ओके, चलो one more. 1 plus 1 कितने होंगे? 1 2 3, राइट? फिर इसमें 2 kg ऐड करें तो कितने होंगे? 3 plus 2 5. कितने kg हमें बनाना है? 7 kg. So again दूसरी बार ले सकते हैं. यहाँ पे लिखा है you can use the weight more than one time. आप एक बार से ज्यादा एक weight को ले सकते हैं. So let's start. 1 kg plus 1 kg plus 1 kg. कितना हुआ? 1 1 1 3 kg. Right? Now 2 kg. 3 plus 2 5 kg. Again 2. फिर से लिया, दो बार यूज किया, राइट? 2 kg. So 2 plus 2 4 5 6 7, right? Total 7 kg. So done. Another way. Okay. चलो next. One more method. Now here we are using gram. Okay. Otherwise kg. Sure. 5 kg. Now how much we have want more? कितने और चाहिए? 2 kg, right? So here So 5 kg plus 1 kg plus 1 kg. So 5, 6, 7. So 7 kg. Right? Okay. Now here we are using gram. Okay, weight of gram. This all we are using now. Next, fourth type. Okay. 500 gram and 500 gram. So 500 plus 500, that means 1000 gram. Okay, 500 plus 500, that means 1000 grams. Same 250 plus 250 plus 250 plus 250. हमने सबसे आगे यहाँ पे काउंट किया था, उसका भी 1000 ग्राम वेट हुआ, राइट? कितने बनाने हैं? 7000 ग्राम. Let's start. Sure. First 500 gram plus 500 gram. How much now? 1000 gram. Again 500 gram plus 500 gram. 2000, right? 500 gram plus 500 gram. 3000 gram, right? That means we want more here, so we add this or otherwise this or otherwise यहाँ से किलोग्राम भी ले सकते हैं, राइट? चलो कितने का टोटल होते हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 टाइम 500 लिया, so 6 5 30. so कितना हुआ? 3000 ग्राम. इसका कितना हुआ? 3000 ग्राम. और कितने चाहिए हमें? 7000 के लिए 4000 मोर चाहिए, जैसे 7000 माइनस 3000, so 4 मोर चाहिए. So 4000 gram, that means 4 kilogram. See, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 4000 gram means 4 kg. Okay, so 4 kg have to make 2 kg plus 2 kg, that means 4 kg. So here we add 2 kg plus 2 kg. Okay, see, 2 kg plus this 3000 gram. 3000 gram means 2 kg means 2000 gram. 3 kg means 3000 gram. Okay, here we write continue. So next fifth way we can write that. See, you can write this 500 gram, 500 gram again and again here. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, 6 time, 7 time. Okay, let's write. So all are in gram unit. Okay, we are not adding here kg, so you not confuse. सारे यूनिट हम ग्राम के यूज करेंगे ताकि कंफ्यूज ना हो जाए. ओके, चलो अगेन 500 gram plus 500 gram, 500 gram plus 500 gram. How many times? 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000. One more we want, right? So because we want 7000. 500 gram plus 500 gram. Now total 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000 and last one is 7000. So 7000 gram. Okay? Complete? Again 5 plus 2, 7 kg. Right? Here 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 kg plus 2, 5 kg plus 2, 7 kg. We have to make here 7000 gram or 7 kg. Okay? Again, next third way, 5 kg plus 1 kg plus 1 kg. So 5 plus 1 plus 1, 7 kg. Now here they are also using gram, weight of gram. So we can use also in gram. So 500 gram plus 500 gram, that means 1000 gram. 1000 gram means 1 kg. We want 7 kg or 7000 gram. So here 1000 gram, again 1000 gram, again 1000, again, right? So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7,000 gram. Okay. Next, fifth way. How to write fifth way? Let's start. Now the fifth way. Okay. Fifth way, here they are saying 5 ways you have to show. So now fifth way. In first way we say draw kg, right? First, second and third point we showing kg. In fourth point we are using 500 gram and 500 gram. Now we are using this all. 250 gram, 250 gram, 250 gram, 250 gram. That means 1000 gram, right? Let's start. 250 gram plus 250 gram plus 250 gram plus 250 gram. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times when we write 250 gram, that means 1000 gram. How much we want? कितने चाहिए? 7000 gram. So again we write 250 gram plus 250 gram plus 250 gram plus 250 gram. Okay. So 1000, now 2000, again 250 gram, 250 gram, 250 gram, and again 250 gram. So 1, 2, 3000. One more. How much we have to make? 7000. Okay. हमें 7000 gram बनाना है. So 250 gram, 250 gram. We can use this both also. ये भी यूज कर सकते हैं, ये भी यूज कर सकते हैं, दोनों साथ में भी यूज करते हैं, दोनों अलग अलग भी यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Now 250 gram plus 250 gram plus 250 gram plus 250 gram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5000 gram. 250 gram plus 250 gram plus 250 gram plus 250 gram. 6000 times. Again 250 gram plus 250 gram plus 250 gram plus 250 gram. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. In first line 1000 gram, 2000 gram, 3000 gram, 4000 gram,